Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can activate GCash Mastercard. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is first of all open your GCash application, and then from here make sure to sign into your account. So after making sure that you have logged into your account, all you have to do is tap on the icon that is on the bottom right corner of your phone, which is the profile icon. So after tapping on that profile icon, then tap on account settings, through which you'll get the option of my linked account. Then you'll get the option of link GCash Mastercard. Tap on that option, then it will take you to a particular page where you'll have to now add down your information about your card. So simply add down the information about your card number, your expiry date, and CVV. Likewise, you'll have to follow along the process. So after entering all of the informations of your card, your Mastercard should automatically be activated. But if it's still not activated, then you might want to do it manually. In order to do it manually, you'll have to get to the home page first of all, and then from your home screen, you'll have to tap on the option Cash Out. And then now you'll have to tap on the option GCash Mastercard. After doing that, here you'll have to now follow along the process. And while following along the process, you might also get asked for the OTP that will be sent to you through the registered phone number SMS. So after entering the OTP sent by the GCash, that will be the final process. Now you have successfully completed the process and have successfully now activated the GCash Mastercard. You will also be notified in your GCash after the completion. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.